Welcome back. As the seasons change, we know the trend is to do a little more cooking at home. But if you're like me, it can be pretty hard to come up with new recipe ideas time and time again.
Matt and I recently headed to one of our favorite grocery stores to get some inspiration from an expert. We had a lot of fun pigging out.
We're here at Dom's Kitchen and Market with Chef James Cluin. He's going to show us how to make an easy, affordable, delicious, and healthy recipe that you can make right at home.
So Dom's is a great place to grab everything you need.
Yes.
We've got our ingredients. Chef, what are we making today?
We're going to make a little Mapu Tofu. It's a great dinner item. You can pick it up in about 10 to 15 minutes.
Okay.
Comes together really quick.
And that name is impressive.
What is a Mapu Tofu?
So Mapu Tofu is a traditional dish from China. It's based off of pork and tofu. The pork builds the sauce and the flavors. So what we have is, we're starting off with a little bit of oil, a neutral oil. We don't want to use olive oil. Olive oil will scorch.
Okay.
It'll get a little burnt flavor.
Oil.
Yes.
So you want like a canola oil or?
Canola oil, grapeseed oil. So we've got our ground pork. We'll get this going. We want to start to brown this. Then we have ground ginger right here, chopped fresh ginger. Starting to brown. We want to add our chopped ginger.
Okay.
And now we'll give it a nice stir really quick.
Yeah.
The whole idea with this is building layers of flavor.
Yeah.
But now we're going to add about 4 tablespoons of our doubanjiang. This is what's going to give you that really great flavor and spiciness.
Okay.
And then about a tablespoon and a half of this fermented black bean paste. So now you can really start to smell. You're going to get that
the layers of flavor.
the spiciness. Yeah.
I think I'm
So what is that you're putting in?
This is ground chopped garlic.
Look at all that.
Okay.
So now that we've got
Really
that fragrance coming, this is a Chinese sherry. You can use a dry sherry at home too. 2 ounces of the dry sherry.
Okay.
This is just plain water.
And why are you adding water?
The water is to braise the pork. So we're going to add this in. So we're going to add in our red chili flakes. And then in with our ground Sichuan chili pepper.
So this has been simmering for a while.
We've had it simmering for about 5 minutes.
Yeah.
And what we're going to do right here, this is just cornstarch mixed with some water, a little cornstarch slurry.
And what does the cornstarch do?
It thickens it. It's a traditional thickener that they use in a lot of Chinese cuisine. So now we're going to want to take our tofu. This is our soft tofu. And what we did was we just cubed it.
Yeah.
And we took it and we put it in salted water and boiled it for 1 minute.
Oh, that's how you get some flavor into it.
Because with the soft tofu, you do not want to stir it too much. So we're going to let this cook for about 30-40 seconds just to warm the tofu through.
Right.
So garnish it with a little bit on top.
You're telling me I can make that? I'm in.
Absolutely.
All right,
Just made it.
That was great.
Really, really good.
So flavorful. And don't forget, you can get all of these ingredients at Dom's.
Yummy.
Yeah, get on my way. We finished every bite of that meal, that's for sure. We'll have the
Loved it.
recipe on our website.
All right, we'll be right